Hi everyone! On the last day of October, and in full spirit of Halloween, we want to show you some end of season tasks for your garden. First of all, instead of throwing away the fall leaves, dude, they will fall by themselves. He's too enthusiastic to be featured in a video. So collect the fall leaves and use them in your garden. You can cover the garden paths to keep weeds away next year, or you can add them to compost piles. They are also great for putting garden beds to sleep. Hey Dino, no time to hibernate. I meant the garden beds, not you. Wake up! You can also use brown cardboards to cover your raised beds. Leaves and cardboard boxes will decompose over next few months and will provide organic matter to your garden. If you're doing fall or winter gardening this year, now is the time to keep row covers handy. Dude, that's my row cover. I need it, seriously. We found row covers to be effective till December in our Zone 6B Kansas garden. Although during January and February, we will need greenhouse plastic to protect plants. Now, even if it is the end of the season, you can still keep composting your kitchen scraps. Dude, you're supposed to turn it all the way. We did it all year long last year, even during winter. Using this tumbling composter. We have covered all details of it in this video, so check it out.